Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ban penduna ya ka jingtheng kali hakithan Anjali petrol pump ka sarkar kalashna yakni ka surang kabadon shalinde jong ka NEFA secretariat ka bahab hapo ka jaka jong ka cantonment ya ka ni ka surang ka ba ka jingjong jong ka kadai North Point iway prasan kilometer la pli pai ba menta kasni daw menteri ka sarkar jilla ubadai MLA jong ka than uba san bor shulai haringkat ka jingadon lang jong ki engineer jong ka tanat PWD road ya kani ka surok lashna ha ka jinglot ka ba like lur lai pun riu lak khat pra hajar tingka la khmi linti ba kani ka surok kan yarap ban weng ya ka jingtheng kali ha ki than Anjali petrol pump namar ba kadam don shu ka jingatung khu ba ki kali ki bamut ban let chayo bar ki tu ki kali ki bathmu banwan sha ka than civil hospital
So now, to be in the 4th of April 2024, 26, sorry, 4th April 26, jointly here with all the top officials of various departments, especially with the official of the Blue Department, the NEFA Secretariat, the Police Department, various NGOs. I opened this road. I inaugurated, we opened this stone, and I opened this road open for Muslims. Thank you.
The road is open from today onward. And let me take it as a word of thanks also, dear sir. Very thank you, grateful to all chief guests. In spite of his busy schedule with the government programs and also the constituency program, he still spare his valuable time in inaugurate this road today.
This scheme was jointly initiated, like Elite Executive Engineer has said, that it is the ground force, the ideas, the suggestion which we have discussed all together, right from the top official of the Blue D and the top official of the government, and including me as the local MLA, where we have come up with one constructive idea that will approach the government of Arunachal through Madam Rani D. Dibang, who is the DRC of this Arunachal Secretariat, government of Arunachal. So finally, this is the initiative taken by the MDA government under the chief ministership of Sri Conrad K. Sangmaji, including the initiative of our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Prastun Tamsongji, who is also in charge of Pilbli Road and Building, which was jointly initiated. Discussion from time to time, we have a conversation from time to time. As a local MLA, we have a joint initiative, and today the dreams has come true, and we are going to lay the foundation to inaugurate the stone. So I would like to express my sincere thanks on behalf of all the people of Shillong, 19 South Shillong constituency, the people of Shillong, and all the top officials of the Pilbli department who are the ground force to to architect this mini bypass.
We from the department actually why we decide to construct this road. Being the executive engineer in the division, I discussed along with my SE, additional CE, chief engineer, secretary, PWD minister, and also with the honorable minister to government of Meghalaya in charge for art and culture. I consult with them. I told them, according to my observation, I have seen all vehicles coming from Jowai side, Maukanru constituency, Nongkrem constituency, Sorankam constituency, even from all localities from Shillong, from Nong Thamai, Ranja, from PB, whichever vehicle have a program to Guwahati or to Upper Shillong, the only way for entry exit, it's from here road near Anjali petrol pump. So we have been experiencing traffic congestion so much on this portion, and to reduce the traffic congestion, we decided that this alternate road should be proposed so that when this come to materialize, we are very sure that it will reduce the traffic congestion that in the junction of Anjali Pump. Because those coming from Upper Shillong side also, many constituency from the side who go for marketing to Yodu, that also will add more to the traffic congestion on that junction. So, we from the department, we are very, very thankful to the government, especially to our PWD minister, who is kind enough to consider our problem. He also, in coordination with our local MLA, minister in charge art and culture, they keep sanction this scheme and we implement it. During the implementation, we really face a big challenges here, because here the condition that time it's a parabolic sucking down the alignment of this road. Moreover, on this road itself, there is septic tank, there is water on the alignment of this road. So we'll have to construct that another building to replace for that demolished building water. So this septic tank also we already shifted, constructed to another location. And beside that, you have seen wall on both sides also. We have constructed wall and we have done all like home pipe, cross drain, and we do with this black topping. So with this, I'm very grateful to my field officer, like assistant executive engineer, my junior engineer. I'm grateful also to my senior officer like SE, additional CE, chief engineer, secretary, because like what I'm telling you, the sanction estimate that time I didn't tell you the amount. It's 3,36,18,000. So that is the sanction, and with that amount we have complete this all.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. tips. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys. Party time.